Hello, my name is Steven and I'm a hardware engineer with Mission Communications. Today I'm going to introduce you to the MyLevel family of devices here at Mission. This is the MyLevel level device. In the box, what you will get is you'll get your device. This is the MyLevel L. You will get a ultrasonic sensor. We have various flavors for different distances. You will get a standard 10-foot flow. This flow is the backup and will also power up the device. You will get your antenna with a quick disconnect SMB connector. You'll get your accessory kit with all the mounting hardware for both the sensor and the flow. You'll get your mounting bracket, and for final installation of the antenna, you'll get your quick drying quikrete for the asphalt. And that is what you'll get in your MyLevel level package.